I've got teacher problems and real life problems, and I'm about to tell you and show you right now. Hello Hotties, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. While you're here, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Do it now. So as you can tell, I'm not in my normal getup. I literally just woke up, no makeup, kind of being vulnerable about my problems. So in this video, you're going to see some of the problems teachers face, some school related, some not school related. And I'm going to share the thing that is bothering me the most at the end of this video. So please keep watching.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me.
Well, at least it's a start. Got a lot more work to do today.
You hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to.
Please tell me I'm not the only one whose laundry room looks like this.
Can you show me?
I'm about to do something about it right now. Okay, so this is good enough for my part. I guess I'm gonna let my children handle the rest. So what happened was, my awesome mom brought me a bunch of stuff from the house I used to live in, and my husband's ADD is getting the best of him, and we are going to get it uncluttered. So let us get to it. I have this huge reveal and it being almost done. I know it doesn't look like much, but I divided my books into kind of babyish, smaller children books and chapter books. I'm going to take the chapter books with me to school tomorrow, and then the smaller, younger books the next day, because even older kids like looking at those kind of books. I'm still working. We got to put a bunch of stuff in the attic. So until then. Okay, looks a lot better. I can actually walk all the way to the window and nothing's in my way. Okay, off to the next room.
All this time.
Okay, so I cleaned again, or this room got dirty when I cleaned outside, so now time to clean the inside.
Lately I've been wondering just what is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got? 'Cause
Had about enough of this. This is my last room. and I don't think I'm gonna make it any further. Thanks for hanging out with me. I figured I would use this time to discuss some issues that have been troubling me that are teacher related. The first thing that is bothering me is the lack of social and emotional support for students and for teachers. It seems like that when this year started and we were starting school with the pandemic, it seems like we were very focused on the students' needs and how they felt and issues that were going on. But now it's like everything has turned and we're more focused on testing than their mental and physical well-being. In fact, this year, I almost feel more like a counselor or friend than a teacher. I feel like I need to analyze these kids and figure out what is troubling them before I can deliver a consequence. But of course, there are also issues that are COVID related that these children are having to deal with also. And I teach 7th grade. And if you don't know anything about 7th grade students, this is the age when they are figuring out who they are. They're figuring out who they like and what music they like and what their style is going to be. Most students this age have trouble with confidence. Another thing that has been troubling me is virtual students don't know how to be virtual students. And it's not their fault that they are failing. I feel like if they would have been trained for such a task, they would be doing better. I just pray that them not knowing how to be a student online doesn't affect them in the future. But I would also like to add that a handful of them are really good at being a virtual student. By the way, my eyeshadow in this video, a student challenged me to do white, yellow, and green. So I accepted that challenge, and that's why I'm doing my makeup this way this morning. Another thing that has been troubling me is that a lot of issues are being brought to us that we have no control over. For example, how are we supposed to increase our attendance at our school? I've been doing some research and I really cannot figure out how just the teachers alone can increase this. I mean, we're dealing with the pandemic right now, and I don't know how this is our responsibility and how our jobs can be threatened because attendance is down. And in case you don't know, whenever the school attendance is down, that means the next year we will not get enough funds to replace teachers that leave, or teachers will have to be terminated. And the last thing that I will point out that has been troubling me is being a teacher, although very rewarding because you get to be with children all day and you get to see them grow. It's sad because I feel like there's so much expected out of us to get these kids where they need to be, but we're not given the materials and the support. I tend to be lucky because where I work, they give us lots of support and lots of materials. But even so, it feels like such a challenge to do what we need to do. Okay, rant over. Thank y'all for listening. Good morning. As you can see, I just got on the scale and it's almost as bad as I thought. I thought I'd be at like 215. My shoes don't fit. I have just gone crazy with what I eat and how I've been eating. I'm gonna fix it though. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so now we're at the part in the video where I share with you the thing that is bothering me the most. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I struggle with my weight. And like, I can always tell when I get over 200 pounds when I get this double chin. And I've been noticing it a lot. So that's why I'm holding my head down like this, you know. And yeah, I am one of those people, when I get stressed, I indulge. I indulge in food, and I don't indulge in the things that make me healthier. So that is drinking water, exercising regularly, and I love to exercise, believe it or not. But the problem is like the energy level, and I can't seem to wake up and want to do this. And I don't know, I just need to do it. They say that it takes 3 weeks to start a good habit and break an old habit. So I am going to do like a little fast. So up until April 1st, I'm going to only eat raw vegetables, fruit, and drink water. And then when I get to April 1st, I'm going to continue my diet every other day. That seemed to work really well for me. And then when I start the diet every other day thing, I'm going to start exercising again because I enjoy it. And I'm going to get everyone in my house to hold me accountable because they will if I ask them. One thing that I think that we should all keep in mind, don't blame other people for your problems. Because when you blame other people for your problems, you give all your power away and now you don't have the way to fix it. I can fix my problems, most of them. That I really cannot think of a single problem that I have that I cannot fix, well, except for COVID-19, which I don't have. I'm just saying it's a problem that we're all dealing with right now. It's not all in my hands to control. When other people are involved in a problem, it's really challenging to fix it. So what I want you to comment below is the problem where I talked about the social and emotional and how we're more focused on tests. If you have a solution that me, one person, the teacher, can use to fix it, I would greatly appreciate it. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.